All right, we've got our two
Okay.
teachers.
We've got two teachers here. Are they from the same school? Okay. Kia ora, what's your name?
Anna.
Anna. And what school are
yours?
you
What's your-
representing?
Bamford.
Hey! And your name is Sarah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. All right, should we get it on, eh?
Okay,
Should we get
they
a
don't even know
party
what they're
rolling?
going to do yet. They don't even know. So, okay. Can you hear that little tune? Just keep it down. There we go. You know that song? What's that song called? Happy,
Right.
yes. What they have to do, Miss and Miss, is dance to Happy. How cool is that? And the coolest thing about it, do you know the coolest thing about it? Is that it's going to go live on YouTube to the world. It's going to have like 200,000 likes by 6 p.m. tonight. All right, who's going to go first? Okay. I'll show you how it's done. This is the most diplomatic way we can do it. Inky, pinky, ponky, daddy caught a donkey. Donkey died, daddy cried. Inky, pinky, ponky. Oh!
Kia ora, Sarah.
Are you ready? We're going to pump the music up. You've got 30 seconds. Kani, now dance.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I
Clap,
said,
everybody.
clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if
Give them a big round of applause. Okay. All right. So, we have to decide who's going to be the winner. Who had the best dance moves? Round of applause for Miss on my left. Round of applause for Miss on my right. Oh, there we go. We've got a winner. Thank you very much. Give them a big round of applause. Careful going down the stairs. Here we go.
Careful down the
nice
stairs
and
now.
slowly.